Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Hello, champions. Welcome to a math lesson. Today we'll complete lesson 8 of your grade 3 module 1 workbook. That's if you can demonstrate the commutative property of multiplication and practice related facts by skip counting objects in array model. So today you're going to learn the new word commutative property. We'll demonstrate it. Let us look at this example. This is 3 rows of 2 is the same as 2 rows of 3. If you count the rows first, you have 3 times 2 equals 6. And if you count the columns, you have 2 times 3 equals 6. This next one is 5 rows of 3. 5 times 3, 15. This is 4 times 3, 12. The same as 3 times 4. Okay, so 4 times 2 is the same as 2 times what? The same as 2 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 2 times 4 is 8. This is 9 times 5. It's the same as 5 times 9. 4 times 5, 45. 3 times 6 is the same as 6 times 3. When you skip count, either ways you get the same thing. Children sit in 2 rows of 9 on the carpet for math time. Erin says, we make 2 equal groups. Viti says, we make 9 equal groups. Now, who is correct? Explain how you know using models, numbers, and words. I'm going to explain it to you words. 2 rows of 9 is 18. So when Aaron said we make 2 equal groups, they are 2 groups of 9. 2 times 9 is 18. When Viti said we make 9 equal groups, they are 2 groups of 9. Yes, 2 groups, 2, they are 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Irina said, we have 2 equal groups. 2 groups of 9, the other one, 9 groups of 2 equals 18. The two of them are correct. Look at this example. Let us skip counting threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, in 4 places only. Okay, look at my dots. That is 4 rows of 3. How many rows do you see? 4. How many columns? 3. What is 4 rows of 3? It's 12. If we turn it, it becomes 3 rows of 4. And what is 3 rows of 4? The same 12. Yes. If you count both ways, the same thing. If you skip count in 4s 3 times, or you skip count in 3s 4 times, you are going to have the same answer. The total number of dots will not change. It's T12. 4 rows of 3 equals 3 rows of 4. So the total and the factors stay the same, but the factors switch places. Do you know the special name to call that kind of switching places? The commutative property of multiplication. Yes, let's use the commutative property to write 2 multiplication sentences for the array. The first one, count the rows. Remember to write the rows first. The rows are 4. And what is the size of each row? 3. So it is going to be 4 times 3 equals 12. The second one, the rows are 3. So write down your 3. How many in each row? 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. There you go. 4 times 3 equals 12. 3 times 4, 12. This is 5 times 3. You turn it, it becomes 3 times 5. The 2 will give you 15. Count the dots. and you still get the same answer. That is the commutative property of multiplication. Here is another activity that I want you to do. Explain the difference between these two: 7 times 2 and 2 times 7. 7 times 2 is 7 groups of 2. 2 times 7 is 2 groups of 7. 7 groups of 2 is 14. 2 groups of 7 is the same 14. Now look at this one. 3 groups of 9 and 9 groups of 3. If you count, you'll get the same answer. Alright, so complete this lesson 8 problem set. Make sure you get your answers correct. Math is so easy and it's fun. See you in the next lesson. Bye.